make pie crust.
Or you can make reservations.
This is true. I also cooked some turkey already, so we can add that to any of our salad or side dishes. This goes into post-prep, meaning you're going to have leftovers, using everything so you don't have any waste. The blade never comes off the surface. I'm keeping the knife down low. The other rule number 6 is don't hurry. Prep for Thanksgiving, meaning you can blanch your vegetables and have your whole vegetables done in 99 and 44/100ths of the time, you're gonna cut yourself with a dull knife as well. I learned
But I
that.
hate a dull knife. Now my husband, like I said, he's Greek. He does all kinds of stuff. He has a special knife that we take to every house for cutting.
Did you like to cook as a kid, or?
I did. I majored in home economics in college.